Trump rings well on record stock market, but will it last? Donald Trump stood on Wall Street on Thursday, a euphoric crowd of America's businesses elite assembled before him and hammered the bell to kick off morning stock market trading. The mood was celebrity. The mood was celebratory. Not only had the president-elect has been named Time Personal of the Year, but the stock market, already up strongly, has surged to new heights since his election. For Trump, whose public appearances have been relatively spring since his election win last month, the visit was a reminder of the high value he places on market opinion. But whether history will look back on his appearance as the well-timed heralding of another economic boom, or that nail remains to be seen. Trump is entering office with a US economy that is, in the recent word, in the recent words of America's central bank boss Jerome Powell, envy of many other countries with solid growth of 2.8%, unemployment near historic lows of 4.2%, and that mysterious ingredient known as productivity on a tear. It has combined to push America It has combined to push American stock to record levels. The Dow Jones Industrial Average is on track to end the year up more than 70%. The S&P 500, a bigger index made up of America's 50 500 largest companies, has surged 28% since January, while the Nasdaq, where tech firms have a major presence, has rallied more than 40%. Investors are hoping for more, with the Trump administration expected to loosen regulations and green light takeovers that might have come under Harris' review during President Joe Biden's administration. At the stock exchange on Thursday, a who of the business world, including Goldman Sachs boss David Solomon and Target chief Brian Cornell, had assembled. The president-elect was greeted with sustained applause and whistles, which later gave way to chants of USA. USA. His visit marked a relatively rare appearance by a sitting or former president, but analysts have warned that current high may be difficult to sustain in the year ahead. Joe, job creation is already showing and price inflation is providing stubborn, slashing government spending, erecting stiff board-based trade barriers and embarking on mass deportations of migrants if enacted could pose further colleagues challenges to growth, though debate is ongoing about how much the president actually will do. The proposals are generating uncertainty and have the potential for significant disruption, said Mark Gandhi, chief economist at Moody's Analytics. The totality of the policy, if implemented to the degree that the president has articulated, I think will be problematic for the economy, he said at the stock exchange on Thursday. Trump kept his comments focused on other parts of his agenda more palatable to markets. His promise to lower taxation from 21st to 50% for businesses